Are you overworked, underpaid, and maybe you're just tired of the continuous cycle of working a 9 to 5 job? Or perhaps you're like myself, in between jobs or your assignment ended and you're like, what do I do next? And you want to be able to make income from home and just be able to be closer to your family as well, then this video is for you. I'm going to give you a Digital Boss Academy review along with my recent updates, wins, and also lessons I learned that I'm going to share with you today. Take the first step with DBA today. But before we dive into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop any comments or questions down below, and make sure to turn on that notification bell. To get started, just to briefly recap, like, what is DBA? What is this Digital Boss Academy? And basically it is a training program that teaches you about digital marketing, how to sell and promote your digital products. Also, they do have modules that will show you exactly how to create your digital products as well. And you are able to resell DBA for 85% commissions. This is a new change that I mentioned in my previous video where they have gone to affiliate, full affiliate now. It is an affiliate program with 85% commissions. But let's dive in and really tell you exactly like the recent updates that I experienced. And also I'm going to share with you the lessons as well. My DBA journey from stuck to sell. Before DBA, as mentioned earlier, I was at a point where I was like in between jobs, didn't know exactly like what to do. I know I wanted to continue that work from home environment. And so I ended up doing some freelancing. And then in the midst of that, I discovered digital products and saw that people were selling digital products online, and it was products they didn't even have to create everywhere. And I was like really curious. It sparked my interest and I decided to join. And with me joining DBA, I was able to set up my digital product business easy and able to set up within like the first 48 hours. They tell you step by step how to set up your digital product store, how to add the products to your store, also provide ready to go like templates, product description templates for you to use for your DBA products. You don't need any tech skills, no big budgets, no huge followings needed. They have easy to use tools that make starting that digital product business so much easier and convenient wise. It provides a lot of convenience with the ready-made digital product templates that you can sell individually or bundled together, which are also known as PLR. Low barrier entry. You don't need a big budget. You don't have to have a huge investment to get started. One of the things I love about DBA is they have 3 different levels, 3 different volumes. So you are able to join at Volume 1 for $111, Volume 2 for $222, and Volume 3 for $333. You could just basically select the level that fits you best and along with your budget as well. One of the things I learned is consistent content equals real results. For like the new updates and progress that I've experienced and wins as well, I made a sale last week. And I was very surprised, very shocked, and very excited about it as well. And it's just that I'm learning not to give up. There's some days, honestly, where I was like, kind of down, and you know how you kind of like have those moments, but I had to get myself up and keep going and just keep pushing through. Like, no matter what it looks like or seem like, just keep going. And as you keep going, you will see results. You will experience success. I will provide proof in this video of the sale as well. And also another win is yesterday I made a post on TikTok and on YouTube Shorts. Basically repurposed it on YouTube Shorts, and I reached 1,500 views so far this morning from that post on the YouTube Shorts platform. And that is usually it wouldn't get like that high as far as my YouTube Shorts. Also, I had 2 people to comment the keyword on that post, and I used a hook that was inside of Digital Boss Academy. I basically filled in the blanks of the hook, revised it, utilized Chat GPT to revise the hook to make sure it speaks to my ideal customer. I will show you a glimpse of that as well. And with me posting that video last week, I did not use any complicated marketing, didn't use any ads. I don't use ads at all. And basically just utilizing like the resources inside of DBA, such as the SEO strategy. In that particular video, I utilized some SEO keywords in my YouTube video description. It's like one of the things I did with that video, I think that helped the video to like reach more people and really get the visibility. The first step, posting the content. Don't like overthink it, just post it. For example, this video may not be perfect, but I'm going to post it on YouTube and, get it out there. Second step, value, provide value. You could provide like tips, lessons learned, like why I'm doing this video. You could do a product review, how-tos, tutorials, and also like inspiration, sharing your story. Third step, consistency, being consistent. And I know it's challenging sometimes. If you fall off, just get back up and keep going. Now I'm going to show proof of the sale and also show you my posting that I was referencing. As you can see, this is actual proof of the sale that I made, and I received an 85% commission in affiliate sale, which was $94.35. And I actually sold volume one. With volume one, with the 85% commission, you would make $94.35. This was a win and very exciting as well. And just like inspiration, motivation to keep going. And then also yesterday, I had someone to claim my freebies. I actually grabbed my freebie, my free guide, and they were from TikTok. This is another win. I actually got a new lead into my system. We're going to head over to YouTube and we pull up my page. So here's my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you the post that I made. As you can see, this one is actually 1.6 thousand views, which is progress. And also, so with this, I took this hook from the Digital Boss Academy, filled in the blanks, revised it a little with ChatGPT, and I put it on this video. For my actual footage, I basically used footage that I had on my phone while I was filming, while I was going inside of Publix, going shopping, and made it 7 seconds. It was very short, basically like a Instagram reel. And then towards the end of the video, you will want to provide what we call a CTA, which stands for call to action. This term basically means you are telling your audience the next step, like what do you want them to click on your link in bio, or maybe you want to ask them a question like, can you relate to this, or what do you think about this? And then they can drop their answer in the comment. Basically just telling them the next step, like telling them what to do. And I have right here, say digital in the comments if you're done letting fear stop you. Someone actually commented my keyword, and then basically I just reply back, letting them know where they can grab my free guide. Definitely is progress when it comes to content. Try not to overthink it, even though I overthink it myself, but I work on just not overthinking it, just putting it up. I basically just utilize DBA. I took this hook from DBA, filled in the blanks with ChatGPT, and posted the content. You never know until you just post the content. You just take action. If I were to go to my TikTok account for this video, I actually have someone that commented here on TikTok platform. The same video, as you can see, someone commented the keyword here. I actually got like another lead here, and this is definitely progress and a win. Sometimes when you post content, you may not always get people to comment your keyword and actually show interest. But when they do, that is a good sign. Consistency, the key to unlocking your potential. I'm learning that consistency is key, and I know everybody says it, and I truly believe it is, because it's like you're not going to see the results that you want to see if you don't keep showing up and posting the content. Even without the immediate results, persistence pays off, and a few months of posting content can lead to success. And the main thing is not giving up. Even though I'm not, 100% consistent, but I never gave up. I always came back and resumed my path. Even if I fell down, I brushed myself off. I got back up and, posted the videos. step-by-step guides. So using DBA step-by-step guides to learn what to do. And basically, like what I just showed in the example, I utilized the resources in DBA to make that post and was able to get 2 people to comment on it, get 2 leads. And that's just an example of how you can utilize the resources inside of DBA for your business. Side hustle or full-time freedom. With DBA, you have the option, if you are working at 9 to 5, currently, you can just start your digital product business as your side hustle, and that would be like an additional income stream. Or you could be the person that's like, you know what, I don't want to continue to work for someone the rest of my life. I don't want to always have to ask permission to take a day off, or not getting paid my worth for the amount of work and effort I put in. And I want to eventually do digital marketing full time, have my online business, and go in it full time, all in. You could go either routes, one where you're doing it as a side hustle or full time income. But if you decide that you want to do this full time, you definitely want to make sure that you save a lot of money from your 9 to 5. Secondly, continue to work your 9 to 5 until your business starts bringing in that consistent and residual income where it is enough to cover the expenses. And then you're at the point you're comfortable enough. You're like, okay, I'm making enough to part my ways now. And those are just some main tips to follow. So you don't have to stay stuck in your current situation. If you really want more of your life and maybe you're tired of worrying about the bills or just not having enough or not getting paid your worth, or perhaps you're in between jobs and just looking for a way to be able to make income from home so you can be with your family and really be at home for your peace of mind as well, and then digital products is definitely the solution. Don't wait. You don't need to wait on the next opportunity. Instead, create your own opportunity. And that's exactly what I did in the story I shared. I didn't wait on the opportunity. I ended up creating my own opportunity. I got tired of the rejections and everything. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to figure out how I can make money from home, make income. And that's exactly what I did. That's the main message I want to give. Don't wait on that opportunity. Create your own opportunity. Either you want to earn more or you're just going to settle for not getting paid what you're worth. I highly recommend, if you are that 9 to 5, start your online business now. Or it could be any business. Just start a business. That way you always have a backup income stream. Start DBA today. Is definitely your foundation. It gives you the tools, the support. It does provide mentorship as well. We have weekly mentorship calls, so you definitely don't want to miss out. I have DBA link in the description down below where you can check it out. Also, I do have a free guide as well if you want to check out the free guide too. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Drop any questions down below. If you have any questions or information I could provide, please let me know. And thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single person that watches my videos. Thank you so much.